Hello guys, I will be answering a question, can I buy Tesla now? So stay tuned. Hello guys, my name is Abdelkarim Ramain. I am your teacher and your trainer. So when I have my live session on yesterday on Friday, so someone asked me the question, can I buy Tesla now? Understand guys, if you have a very small account, why are you going to buy stocks that are so big? This is just a mistake. Are you going to buy, if you have $5,000, you are going to buy 10 shares or 15 shares of Tesla or something? This is not worth it. In terms of trading, in terms of performance, it's not worth it. But I will answer this question. I don't know if someone has maybe millions of dollars and he is asking questions. Now, let's go to the chart. Now, as you can see, Tesla is a very, very dangerous stock. See how it moves. If you buy a stock like this, you see here from 300, it goes to 349, it goes to 379. Okay, so it goes so quick and it goes down so quick. But lately, try to see this trend here. So the highest here is 379.49. 379 in beginning of December. But as you can see, this is the 26th December that we are talking about always. So Tesla did not follow the trend in the market. So as we did with Twitter, we do with Tesla. So you see, so this is the day where all the market, there is a reverse. The stock market was going down and then the stock market was going up. So Tesla has been doing good in the 2 weeks, and then we have a gap down and then goes up, and then it collapses. So as you can see, Tesla is going down. It is 235. It was 379. Try to imagine how much, if you are in this trend, if you are buying before and now it's going down. So it's a big loss. Here is $65 and here is $79 for each share. So it is too much money. Okay, too much money from 379. So 79, it means you lost 7,900 plus the 6,500. It's around $14,000 if you have stayed from here to here. So I'm speaking about the trend, all this trend. Okay, all this trend. So the stock lost about $14,000 in this 100 shares bought. If let's say you bought 100 shares from this high. So you ask me, can I buy it? It doesn't show any strength that you can buy this trend. This is a downtrend. It is not time yet to buy. And there are techniques you should use in order to know if it is bad or no. So I'm telling you it is bad. Maybe the future, but I don't see it right now. Okay? So stay tuned with all this information and try to analyze the trend. Try to analyze what's going on to the stock. Compare it to the index. Compare it to the stock market and see why this is happening. So there is a sell-off. It means there are people who are selling. Don't go like the other guys and you begin to tell me that the CEO is sick or the CEO has an operation in the hospital, or the CEO doesn't feel well today. That's why the stock is going down today, or the cars are not selling, or you try always to find reasons. Now, I know why the people are looking for reasons, because you want to make sure that you have a reason in mind. Okay? But the problem is that try to think about money. Think if you are in the trend. Let's say you bought and you are losing money. Think about money in terms of risk. Don't think about the company anymore, because you are not investing for the whole run. For example, if you have 10 years, 20 years, you are a big investor, you are invested in this company, it's okay. Because the stocks go up, go down, okay. And you should see the earnings, you should see what's going on to this company. But for us, it is just the trend. If a stock has a trend, and you can make money, that's it. You take money, you make money, and you exit the trade. That's it. If you are losing money, you exit, find another stock. Don't stuck with one stock and have problems. And a lot of people, they like to hear the news of a company, and sometimes they don't buy it. They just watch TV. So when you watch TV, this is called entertainment. So entertainment, it means you are just entertaining yourself. It's not for business. Business, you should take decisions and you should see how to trade. And this, you should train yourself, and don't leave yourself for analysts and gurus online in some TVs, and they give you just, it's just because the CEO is not feeling very well. That's why today the stock goes down. The stock doesn't go down because the CEO is sick. Okay, it's a lot of more than you might think. Okay, so thank you very much and see you next time.